Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
Hello.
Now in today's video, as you'll already have seen, we've put in these lovely headlights, and today is very exciting. We've been waiting for these fog lights to turn up. You can see we've got a set of blacked out, not fog lights, daytime running lights.
Now I bought you these for Christmas.
You did indeed.
And it's now June.
Yes.
So hasn't gone well, has it?
No.
But
everything's taking time, as cars always do. But you can see here, this one's slightly faded, and they are halogen bulbs. So we've got a set to go in here of, they're not LED, but they're white halogen bulbs.
Yes.
So hopefully we won't get any error codes or anything.
And we're
like
in
that.
a rush because you're taking this back home, aren't you? To Turin.
I'm taking it to Turin, yes.
For a little holiday.
I'll be touring around France and Spain and Italy. It was very exciting. Arnie's going on a long old road trip, so we've got to get this done. I leave in 4 days from now, which is beginning of June, so very exciting. So we've got to get these in. We'll take the front bumper off, and you can see these ones are slightly blacked out around the edge to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look.
Yes, because the ones that came were faulty.
Yes.
So we've had to wait, and we've got these from Abarth Tuning.
Abarth Tuning, yes. So let's rip this front bumper off and get in.
Yes.
Right, so we've got T30s, we've got 4 of them along the top, which we'll get off now.
Oh, that one's easy.
Yeah. Right, now there's 3 more of these underneath the car, and there's also 2 Phillips heads under there as well. Right, so inside the wheel arch you can see we've got these little doors here. So you pinch them together, the little door just opens like that, comes off. We've got the green plug for the daytime running lights, which is just a pinch and a pull like so. There we are. The T30, which we've got to undo. It's just sneaking in there. Right, we've got 2 little...
Who put the wheels in the way?
Yeah. Okay. With the bumper, all we should have to do is pull slightly forwards and pop that off like so.
He says not wanting to break it.
Yeah, understandably. Definitely undo both of them.
He is. Brave.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
Off.
Cool.
Right. And now for me, just down here, I will show you. Now my car's got the fog lights at the bottom, so I just need to unplug this little connector down here as well. There we go. Right. Bumper now should...
Is it completely loose then? Yeah, cool.
Right, now these are fairly straightforward. You just continue on the theme of the T30s, and there's 3 of them that hold the running lights in.
Oh, I'm out.
I'm out too. Right, so we're just going to change out. You can see here I've got a chrome covered bulb right there to go in, so hopefully this will be more bluey white. That's the aim, because as it's on all the time I don't really like yellow, as my new headlights are really nice. Right, so bulb is there. Just pull that out. It's a direct replacement. In we go. Pop that back in. Right, now we're going back in exactly the same as before.
I like that.
Right, now we're going to put the bumper back on. I'm going to re-plug the fog lights back in, which go here. I've clipped. There we go. And then just push that, and it should just clip in. There we are. Pull him out. There we are. Pop that back in. T30 back in there.
I'll do everything, should I?
You can, yeah. It's about time. Look at you, hard-working fella.
Oh, well, you know. In my schoolboy shorts. Right, well that concludes the daytime running light upgrade. Very happy.
Actually in full, you'll have already seen them, but these really top it off. You can see they're not quite as white, but I mean these are as good as you can get for non-LEDs, and I think they look really, really nice. They're not super bright, because I don't really want to take away from...
Because the other option was to have that down there as well, and it just sort of looked too much.
Yes, I think this is the signature piece, so these are just a nice little touch to go on the side, and I suppose I should check the flashworks. Let's have a look.
Oh, might as well check something. Oh, nice. Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Wicked.
Perfect.
So the flash is still the same, the daytime running lights are now white, and the headlights are done, so it's actually fairly easy. You just got to be a little bit careful pulling that out. It's a bit nerve-wracking, isn't it, pulling the bumper off?
That's why I let you do it.
Yeah, so great little upgrade, and very, very happy.
Well, the car's looking awesome. Ready for his trip to back home.
Back home, I'm very, very excited.
So all that's left is we've got some Koshi carbon fibre coming, and we've got to replace the Koshi at the back because it's faulty.
Yes, we do.
So we're just all waiting for Koshi to do the business. And so thanks for watching. We'll catch you soon.
See ya.